Okay, I'm going to show you the HAARP transmitter that creates drought in California, Texas, and Mexico. I want to show you it actually operating right at daybreak, and we can actually see it burning a trail through the clouds, and I'm going to show you right now. And right at daybreak we can see texture in the clouds that you cannot see at other times. So we'll just zoom in on this as far as we can. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, so right here you can see a zigzag coming off of this little teeny island. It's not all that teeny actually, but we can see this checkerboard pattern going straight east, and then we can see some herringbone patterns here, and this as the sun rises, the pattern sort of disappears because we don't see the texture. Okay, the sun is now pretty much not illuminating the clouds as well anymore, and then it cycles back to dark. Okay, this is daybreak. Now, at very first light, we can see this pattern. It's reaching straight to the east, and there it is. Unfortunately, that's about as good as it gets. But you know, on a Saturday morning, the Photoshop guy just, well, you know, out partying late last night and all. So that's all we get to see. That was it. I'll just let it play. So it's there and then it's gone. But it is a strange thing to see. That's a strange thing. Explain that, meteorologists. All you guys that are apparently so eager to discredit all this. Okay, so there is the billion-watt HAARP beam coming from a HAARP transmitter at daybreak on the west coast. And that's invisible light on Goes West. And it's April 26th, 2014, about 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Central. And as it goes off to the east, it starts impinging on the clouds, creating ELF waves. Now those may actually be natural clouds because they're not oriented at 90 degrees, which is what I normally see. And there's some more ELF. Now that's more typical of ELF from the HAARP beam, because this Baja California, the spine of Baja, has a mountain range, and that will catch some of the energy and bounce it back and create some ELF clouds. And remember, at 7 kilohertz, those ELF clouds should be about 27 miles apart. So that's why we see them on the satellite, because they're so far apart, and also they're miles and miles wide. Okay, well, that's it, folks. That is your HAARP transmitter in action. And we're having a whole, 48 hours of tornadoes and stuff going through the Midwest. So I imagine these HAARPs are going to be real busy. You know, I don't know if they're going to be stopping the storms or making them 10 times worse. I don't know. But we'll know in 48 hours. Okay, thanks.